Thai chickpea and corn cakes. Preheat an oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Prepare the ingredients. Grate 2 carrots into a large mixing bowl. Grate 1 medium head of broccoli into a bowl. Slice the kernels off 1 corn cob and add to the bowl. Finally, slice 2 shallots and add to the bowl. Finally, slice 1 garlic clove and add to the bowl. Grate 1-inch piece of peeled ginger into the bowl. Gently mash 1 can of drained chickpeas. Add the mashed chickpeas to the bowl. Add half a cup of brown rice flour. If you like it spicy, finely slice 1 chilli and add to the bowl. Mix ingredients well with your hands. Take a small handful and form a round patty. Place onto a lined baking tray and continue to form 8 patties. Place into a preheated oven for 20 minutes. Turn them at 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the salsa. Slice 1 avocado in half. Cut and scoop into a bowl. Cut 2 tomatoes into small pieces. Add to the avocado. Finally, chop 1 bunch of coriander. Add to the bowl and squeeze over the juice of half a lime. Toss the salsa well and place into a bowl. Serve the cakes and salsa with a small bowl of sweet chili sauce.